Hello everyone. Today we are going to see what is Pip and how do we use it. So let's get started with it. So firstly, what is Pip or PIP? So PIP or Pip is a package manager for Python packages or modules if you like. And if you have a version Python 3.4 or above that, Pip is already installed. So you know what is Pip basically? It is used to install or uninstall packages in Python because on your PC it is not mandate. It is like that all the Python packages are not installed because they have different sizes and they have different use, so everything is not installed, so you have to install that, and for that you can use pip. So what is a package? So a package contains all the files you need for a module. So modules are the Python code libraries you can include in your project. So we already know that we have libraries like NumPy, sklearn, and for regression we have other libraries. So there are lots and lots of libraries in Python, and to use that and to install that you require pip. So now we are going to see that whether a pip is installed or not. So for that, because I'm using Anaconda, so I will open up Anaconda prompt and I will see that what is whether the pip is installed or not. So here I have to check it. You have to write pip hyphen hyphen version. So now it gives us that where the pip is installed and it gives the whole path. So if I want to install a package or a module, so you have to go up to this path and then you can install. So to go up to this path in Anaconda prompt, you use a cd command. So when I write cd, so I'm at Lakshita. So if I write cd Anaconda 3, I will reach up to here. So let me write that. I reached here, and for to reach the up to here, I will write again. So I've reached here, and if I want to install now something, so I will install now here. So let me show you one example. So here I have a module named camel case which I have not installed. So if it is not installed and I'm using it, then what are the issues we face? So what it does is, firstly, I have a method here, camel case. So I have taken a text that this is a Jupyter notebook, and if I write c.hump text, so what it will do is this method capitalizes the first letter of each word. So there are four words. So if I use this, then every first letter of each word will get capitalized. So I have note that I have not installed camel case right now, so let me run this. So it gives that no module named camel case. Now what I will do is I will install camel case. So to install using pip, you have to write pip install camel case. So you can note here that if you install any module, you just write pip install and the name of the module, and then press enter. So you can see that it is installing on my PC. So now you can see that successfully installed camel case 0 0.2. So it is the name of the module or maybe something. So now I minimize it and now again I run it. Now you can see that it is running and working, and every word of the every word first word of the first letter of the words are capitalized. So this is how you can use pip. So now we have already seen that how to download a package and how to install and use the package. So now what we are going to see this we are going to see like how many packages do I have installed. So if I like What if I again write pip install camel case? So let me show that to you. So it is showing that requirement already satisfied, like because it is already installed. So when you write it again, so it because it is already installed, it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Now I will use a command pip list, which gives us that which all modules I have in my PC. So let me show that. Okay, so here are a lot of them, and because I work on Anaconda, so I need like so many modules and libraries, and some of them are very big. So this is all this is the list of that. So right now we have installed camel case, so you can see that camel case we have here like 0.2. This is the version basically, and here are the packages. So you can see there are lots and lots of packages, and it's gonna increase like if you generally work on Anaconda, and it shows you the everything. Like I have JSON here, I have Jupyter Lab and Matplotlib, which is useful for plotting graphs. So this was about pip.list, and now what we are going to see that how we uninstall a package. So how to do that, like pip, if you write pip, like we have used right now camel case. So now if I write pip uninstall camel case, so let me run this, and you it is showing that found existing installation camel case and uninstalling camel case, and it is for proceeding it is asking y and n means yes or no. So if you want to uninstall it, press y and enter, and it is successfully uninstalled. So this was a general view about pip. You can learn more about like reading the documentation, and there are lots of modules so you can learn about them. And this was all about pip. Thank you everyone.